In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find IBAN number Wise. If you've ever needed to receive a bank transfer in euros, you've probably been asked for your IBAN. IBAN stands for International Bank Account Number, and it's the standardized number banks use across many countries to make sure money gets to the right account. With Wise, your euro balance has its own IBAN, and finding it only takes a moment once you know exactly where to look. Start by opening Wise and making sure you're on the home dashboard. This is the main screen that shows all your available currencies and balances. From here, look for your euro balance. It might appear as EUR or euro, usually alongside your other currencies. Click on your euro currency on the home dashboard to open that specific balance. This tells Wise you want the details related to your euro account, which is where the IBAN lives. Next, click Account Details. This option is typically near the top of the euro balance screen and is clearly labeled. When you select Account Details, Wise will display the information you need to receive a transfer in euros. Right here, you will see your IBAN number for your Wise Euro account. It usually starts with a two-letter country code, followed by numbers and letters. You might also see other useful information on the same screen, like the BIC or SWIFT code. For a standard euro transfer into your Wise account, the IBAN is the key piece to share. Take a moment to copy the IBAN carefully using the on-screen copy button if it's available, so you avoid typos. Always share these details only with trusted senders and never post them publicly. Keep in mind that each currency in Wise can have different receiving details. The IBAN you're seeing is specific to your euro balance. If you switch to another currency, you may see different account details instead of an IBAN, which is normal. If you're sending this IBAN to someone, you can also include the account name exactly as it appears in your account details, since some banks ask for that alongside the IBAN. Before you finalize any transfer, it's a good idea to double-check the characters and the country code to make sure nothing was altered when pasting. And that's all. To recap in a sentence, open Wise, go to your home dashboard, click your euro currency, then click Account Details, and your IBAN will be displayed right there for your Wise Euro account. You're ready to receive euro transfers confidently.